Today, we're diving into the ultimate luxury drives, the top 5 best luxury SUVs you can aim for in 2025. From modern electric-powered showpieces to powerful performance SUVs, this list has something for every kind of car lover. Number 1. Genesis GV80. This mid-size luxury SUV strikes an outstanding balance of luxury, comfort, and value. It recently received a refresh that elevated its style and features, making it even more appealing than before. Inside, you get a premium cabin with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and all the amenities expected in a top-tier SUV. For those who want luxury without taking things to absurd extremes, GV80 offers a solid, sweet spot. Number 2. BMW iX. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that embraces the future, the 2025 BMW iX belongs near the top of your list. As one of the best electric mid-size luxury SUVs of 2025, the iX offers impressive all-electric range and power. Its modern interior is sleek, tech-rich, and spacious, the kind of cabin where comfort meets futuristic design. For buyers who want premium luxury with electric vehicle sensibilities, the iX delivers the best of both worlds. Number 3. BMW X5. The 2025 BMW X5 is a well-rounded, dependable luxury SUV that blends performance, comfort, and practicality. It's often praised for how well it balances the traits of sportiness and luxury. If you want a luxury SUV that performs well on city roads, highways, and offers a refined ride without going over the top, the X5 is a safe bet. It gives you a premium BMW experience with flexibility, perfect for daily driving or long road trips. Number 4. Porsche Cayenne. For those who want performance along with luxury, the 2025 Porsche Cayenne hits the mark. It's among the most dynamic luxury SUVs you can get, delivering powerful performance and fun driving characteristics, while keeping the luxurious feel intact. Whether you're accelerating on open roads or cruising around town, the Cayenne gives you that sports car meets SUV vibe. It's for those who want their luxury SUV to also feel alive and exciting. Number 5. Porsche Cayenne e-hybrid. If you like the spirit of the Cayenne, but want something more fuel-efficient, the hybrid version is worth considering. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne e-hybrid gives buyers the chance to dial up power or efficiency depending on their needs and driving habits. So there you have it, the top 5 luxury SUVs for 2025. From electric elegance to traditional V8 swagger, from family-friendly comfort to high-performance thrills, there's a best SUV out there for every kind of driver. Let me know in the comments, which one would you pick and why? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next car automation and automotive content.